crap, that was awesome.
We are out here in the middle of Lake Minnetonka. You might notice it's frozen. We are about 30 minutes outside of Minneapolis where we're about to play Super Bowl 52. But we're out here for a little ice fishing, which is what everybody should do if you're coming up for a Super Bowl in Minnesota. All right, Dan Jasper's here from Jasper Guide Services. He's out with us on Lake Minnetonka to take us ice fishing. Dan, what's the biggest thing I gotta know before I go in there and fish?
Well, welcome to Lake Minnetonka. You're gonna have a blast. We're gonna use an underwater camera to catch the fish. You're gonna learn a lot about fish behavior by watching them up on the big screen TV and dropping your jig down the hole and actually seeing your jig up on the TV and watching a fish eat your jig.
Sweet, oh wow.
Yeah.
This is cool. So you've already got these holes drilled, and that's 22 inches of ice right there.
Yep, 22 inches of ice. So we use wax worms, and they're live. Well, some of them are. Nice and smelly bait right there.
Got the worm baited, ready to go.
Yep. So you're gonna drop it down the hole. You open the bail.
Oh, there's a bunch of them down there. Look at that.
So fish like to feed up often. So just hold it right above their nose and just hold it steady, and they'll come up and whack it. So try shaking it like it's nervous, kind of, and don't let it drop much. It's more of a, yeah, there you go. Now
interested. The movement, right?
Yeah.
How about that?
Got him. And then reel, yeah. Nice. Fish on. Nice.
That was too easy.
We like to make it easy.
It's almost unfair, really. The camera undoubtedly, because you know where they are and you can tangle the bait literally right in front of their face.
You'll quadruple your catch watching that camera up there.
It's almost cheating.
It almost, but it is legal. Step right in. So this is a newer model. We have bunk beds in this one. So you can flip this board over and it makes a bed. Nice bed here. We have a bed up here. So people will sleep in these all weekend. This one we wrapped. It's very attractive looking, very functional. So this house was custom made for both ice fishing and hunting. It was designed to have guns stored in here during travel. You can sleep people up on the bunk that slides down. This turns into a bed, and this area here turns into a bed. And you can see different styles of fish houses. We've got the portable, like this Eskimo. Then we have homemade trailers, like this brown one and the yellow one, all homemade. And then you have manufactured ones, like the one we're in.
So how do we do?
You did great. Yeah, the camera really helps, right? You can see all these fish houses out here. There's a reason they're here, right? The fish are in this area. We're in the deepest basin of this bay. Water temp down at the bottom is about 40 degrees, 39 to 40 degrees. Doesn't vary much for them.
And the fish are really comfortable, apparently, under the water. The humans, not so much. Right now, the wind chill out here on Lake Minnetonka is 7 degrees.